In the heart of the lush, vibrant whispering woods, where ancient trees touched the sky and a crystal-clear river wound its way through the landscape, lived a diverse community of animals. There was Ellie the Elephant, wise and gentle, Ferdinand the Frog, small but quick-witted, Pip the Pigeon, a swift messenger, Leo the Lion, strong and sometimes a little proud, Giselle the Goat, sturdy and adventurous, Whiskers the Cat, agile and observant, Zola the Zebra, graceful and peace-loving, Dolly the Duck, cheerful and resilient, Titus the Tiger, powerful yet often solitary, and Heidi the Hippo, calm and steady. Though they all shared the same beautiful woods, they often kept to themselves, each species believing its own strengths were sufficient. One scorching afternoon, a terrible forest fire broke out on the far side of the woods. Flames licked at the trees, and thick smoke billowed into the sky. Panic spread like wildfire among the animals. Leo roared, but his strength alone couldn't douse the flames. Pip flew high, but he couldn't carry enough water. Ellie the Elephant tried to spray water from her trunk, but the water source was too far and too small. It was Ferdinand the Frog who croaked, "We must work together. Ellie, you can pull the fallen logs to create a firebreak. Heidi, your large body can help clear a path. Dolly, you and the other ducks can carry water in your beaks from the remaining puddles. Giselle, you can help clear brush. Whiskers, you and Pip can scout ahead and warn us of danger. Zola, you can guide everyone to safe spots. Titus, your power can help move heavy obstacles." With each animal contributing their unique ability, they slowly but surely gained ground against the fire. Ellie's firebreak, combined with the continuous, albeit small, streams of water carried by the ducks and the cleared paths, began to contain the inferno. As evening fell, a light rain began to fall, helping to finally extinguish the last embers. Exhausted but relieved, the animals gathered. They looked at each other with new respect. From that day forward, the animals learned to rely on each other, understanding that every member. Woods became a place of true harmony. Moral of the story: when we work together, we can overcome any obstacle.